Hi my friends, welcome back to my channel. Last video I have explained about PHP variables. As we already know, variables in PHP represented by a dollar sign followed by the name of the variable. And variables in PHP are case sensitive. Today I would like to discuss on PHP variables assignment. In PHP, variables assignment can be done in two ways. First one is assignment by value, second one is assignment by reference. Let's see what are the differences between those two, and I will also give some examples on those. Yeah. Assignment by value. This is the default assignment done. The entire value of the original expression or value of variable is copied into the destination variable. For example, $x equal to 10, and here $x equal $y equal to $x. That means we are copying the value of x to y, and here $z is equal to $x into $y. Here this is the expression. The entire value of that expression value is copied into $z. And the next point is changes to the new variable doesn't affect on the original value or original variable. For example, $x equal to 10 and $y equal to $x. That means y becomes here 10. For suppose if I change $y value to 2, then it doesn't affect on the value of x, as both are different copies. Y is having a separate copy of x and x is having a separate copy of its value 10. Here the value of x represents to 10 value is different, and y equal to 10 represents the value is different. If you perform any changes to y, it doesn't affect on the value of x. Now let's see what is the assignment by reference. Assignment by reference is another way of assigning values to variables, and here we need to use ampersand symbol before the variable name. Uh, For example, $x equal to 10 and $y equal to ampersand $x. Here ampersand symbol represents the, here y is nothing but reference to x. Here y is a new variable and which is nothing but belonging an alias or pointed to original value, that is x. That means in this example, x and y both are pointing to the same content. That means both variables point to the same data, that is x equal to 10 and y also 10. Both are pointing to the same location. That means whatever you do changes to y, that affects on x, and whatever do changes on x, that affects on y. That is the next point. Changes to the new variable affect the original and vice versa. For example, $x equal to 10 and $y equal to ampersand $x. Here I am changing y value to 2. That means the value of x also changes to y, because both are pointing to same location. It's not copy here. It's both are pointing to same content and same data. So x value changes as y is changed. Similarly, if you perform any changes to x, that affects on y value as well. So the basic difference between assignment by value or assignment by reference is changes the value changing the value of original and old values based on the assignments. Here changes to the new value doesn't affect on the original one. Here changes to the new variable affects on the original one. That is a major difference. And second one is we need to use the ampersand symbol. Here no need to use any ampersand symbol. I'll give some example to explain these concepts. Here this is example by value. Here I have a variable name which is having a value Sam. So in the memory its name is representing to Sam, and I have another variable my underscore name which is nothing but copy of name, that is a dollar name. So copy of Sam is nothing but the value given to my name. So my name represents the value Sam. Now the third statement is my name assigned with RAM. So here, after assigning this statement, the name still refers to RAM, but my name refers to RAM, because it is by value, means the changes performed to the my name doesn't affect the changes to original variable name. Here my name is simply the copy of name. So whatever we did do any changes to my name, it doesn't affect on name. Vice versa as well. That means whatever we perform changes to name, that doesn't affect on my name. Here example for by reference. Here we have a variable name which is representing to Sam, and we have another variable my underscore name, which is a assignment by reference, because we have ampersand symbol here, ampersand name, which is nothing but pointing to the same value in a memory. So here I am assigning my name to the new value RAM. That means both name and my name will refer to the new value RAM. So that means whatever we do changes on my RAM will affect on name variable, as well as whatever we do perform any changes on name variable will affect on changes to my name, because my name is a alias or pointer to the name. Okay, let's do an example. Here I have taken variable x and assigned with 10, and y I have taken a variable and I assigned $x to $y. Now I am printing x and y values. Let's save this file and execute. Let's see. Here if you observe, x value is 10 and y is also 10, because y is nothing but copy of x. Now I am changing to value of y to some new value. I am changing y to 5. Now I am printing again. I changed y value to 5, and I'm again printing x and y values. So this is by value, means the changes to y that doesn't affect on changes, those are not reflect on value of x. Let's see. If you observe here, initially x value is 10, y value is 10. After assigning new value to y, x is still pointing to 10 only, and y is only changed to 5, because this is by reference. This is nothing but assignment by value. Okay, now again try to change value of x. Here I'm changing x equal to some 20. That means whatever we do changes to x, that doesn't affect on y value, right? Let's see. So if you observe here, before assignment x value is 10, y is also 10. After assignment y is 5 and x we newly assigned to 20, but that doesn't reflect on y value, because both are different copies. Okay, let's do some example on assignment by reference as well. Here this is by reference. In the same example, I am doing modifications. Here $x equal to 10 and $y equal to ampersand $x. That is nothing but referring to the same point or same location of x value. Now if you execute this one, you will get both are same at this point. X value is 10 and y value is also 10. Now I am going to change y value. $y equal to, I am changing to some 15. Now again print those x and y values and let's see the difference. Here I assign y equal to 15 and again I'm printing x and y values. As it is by reference means whenever we perform changes to y, that should reflect on x as well. So x also should be 15 instead of 10. Let's see the output. Yeah, here you can see before assignment x value and y value both are same, and after assignment I changed only y value. Even though only I changed to y value, it reflected on x as well, because y is nothing but reference to x. Now let's change x. Now $x, I'm assigning x to some 3. That means whatever we do changes to x, that also reflects on y. So that means both x and y refer to 3 now. Let's see. Here you can observe the change. Earlier x and y are represented to 15, but now I change it to x equal to 3. Even though I changed only to x, that also reflected on y, because y and x both point into the same location. This is all about assignment by reference and assignment by values. Okay, that's all. Next lesson I will explain more concepts related to PHP variables. Those concepts are also very important. And assignment by reference we can also use in functions as pass by reference, like using ampersand symbol. I will explain those concepts when I am touching with the functions. Thanks for watching. Bye. Please subscribe to my channel.